Hi, Caitlin Thomas, Montreal Gazette. I was speaking to some infectious disease doctors recently this week, and they say that Quebecers lack the tools to manage their risk. So, all the indicators that we have are lagging indicators. And so, by the time that you realize that there's an uptick in cases, it's kind of already happening and a bit too late to, not too late to start managing your risk, but like there's nothing to do it in real time. So, are there any plans to provide people with ways to sort of track the virus in real time, like better wastewater data or anything like that?
Well, first, I'll answer part right now. Wastewater data, we are there. We already have that, and we follow that in major cities. And we see, for example, that in certain cities there has been a stabilization. So this is forefront measures that we are using right now. We already have that.
But it's a week late.
I'm
The,
sorry.
the data is a week late.
Yeah, I understand, but I mean, we can monitor that. You can see the trend. We have, as we mentioned, we have the group that the healthcare that employees that are being tested. They're being tested all weeks. We have this data, and we see the trend in hospitalization, and I think we're following the best practices that are in the world. So I think we have those measures.
Okay.
And I would add that it's not a week late; it's a week earlier. So the wastewater data can show us in advance of what's going to happen in a week or two after.
Yeah.
So we had so far a lot of information in regards to the infection with the PCR test and other or the sign that are the, I mean, when the school were open, we were having a lot of data coming from the school too. But the advantage of the wastewater analysis and data are that they are able to predict at least a week before. Sometimes it's exactly the same time, but normally it should be, if it's well done, a week, if not 10 days or 2 weeks before the upcoming change, should it be for an increase or decrease in the contamination in the community. So we're quite um, well organized to look at how it goes. And we're very happy with that because otherwise we will be completely blind on that, which is not the case at all right now in Quebec.